Yes. Ooh. Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Ooh. Nowhere.
Stiff what?
Well.
No.
Yes.
So I highly recommend you guys give it a try on your 4C hair or any type natural hair. So let's go finish blowing out the remaining of my hair.
Driving around with my baby, top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany B, for those of you that are new. For those of you that are not, then welcome back. This Revlon new and improved power of a dryer volume of a styler. This is how it comes. It feels really good in my arm, like it's not too heavy and it's not too solid, you know, like it weight on your hands. So it has 3 setting mode as well. It has cool, low and high. So we have the back, and by the way, this is not advised to be used in wet hair. I'm gonna go in with my Dr. Miracle's alcohol thermal protection styler. Protects from intense heat, styling while adding shine. So I'm gonna go with this. Leave-in conditioner. Another heat protectant spray. Gotta make sure that your hair is detangled. I'm gonna go back with this on low. For this to work effective, guys, you need to detangle your hair, and you should do it in small portion if you have thick 4C hair like myself. So guys, this is the first half.